Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success with today's Mindset Matters. Now, today's Mindset Matters was inspired by another conversation I had with a client. I get lots of my little gems from my clients, and she was interviewing people to help her out in her business. And she reconfirmed the appointments, had about 5 or 6 people, and 2 people completely didn't show up. They didn't even ring or even text to say that they couldn't make the interview. And it got me thinking about a pattern, because we run our life in patterns. And I wonder where else in their life are they running this pattern? And there's an expression that I love to use and has helped me immensely look at myself and ensure that I'm performing to the best of my abilities. And that is, how you do one thing is how you do everything. So while my client was a little bit perturbed that these people didn't show up, and look, I had it this morning. I had somebody who booked an appointment on my online calendar through my website, and it was reconfirmed to them at least twice, and they completely no-showed as well. Now, things happen, but I guess there is one element of the common courtesy of just letting someone know that you're not turning up. But if you look at it, as I said, to do with patterns and how you do one thing is how you do everything, I would say to those people to question themselves, where else in their life are they doing that same pattern? Where else are they committing to something and not showing up? Or where else are they not respecting their time or other people's time? Because you see, we run about 50% of our life by habits, and our habits are run in our subconscious mind, which means we're not really aware. So most of the time we're not aware of what we're doing, and we don't stop to question ourselves. So the art of questioning ourselves gets us to become more aware, and that's the way to reveal our patterns and change them so that we can be the best performer in our life. So ask yourself this question. If you are doing something that you know isn't stepping up and performing optimally in every area of your life, ask yourself, where else in your life are you running this? Because how you do one thing is how you do everything. So is it reflecting in your business? Is it reflecting in your personal life? Is it reflecting in your own goals or your health goals? Because when you can see where else you're running this pattern in other parts of your life, you have the power to change it and shift it. So if you're someone that doesn't turn up for appointments, well, hey, yes, you could perhaps let people know. However, ask yourself, and it can be a little bit ouchy and squunchy when you ask yourself, where else in your life are you running this pattern? Where are you not committing and showing up when you said you would? So basically, you're not living authentically and you're not doing the things that you say you'll do. And it's those little areas where we don't do what we say we'll do, where we slip up and we erode our awesomeness. So if you want to be the peak performer in every area of your life, make sure that you ask yourself that question, you become aware of your patterns, and if you're running any less than excellent patterns, you clean them out and you change them. So that's the lesson today. Remember, how you do one thing is how you do everything. So when you have unhelpful patterns, where else in your life are you running those patterns in a similar format? So I hope that was helpful. Please share the love of the video if you know anyone that might benefit from this. And I will talk to you another day. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success.